Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text chat in Roblox. First, ensure your account settings allow chat. Navigate to the privacy section and confirm chat is enabled. Once in a game, press the / key or click the chat icon to open the chat window. Type your message and press enter to send it. Remember, Roblox uses filters to keep conversations safe and appropriate for all ages. You have control over your chat experience. Go to your privacy settings to choose who can message you, such as friends or no one. If you encounter any inappropriate messages, use the report button next to the player's name to flag it. Parents can also set up account restrictions to limit or disable chat for younger users, ensuring a safer environment. Beyond public chat, you can send private messages to friends by clicking their name in the player list and selecting Message. Many games also offer quick chat options, allowing you to send preset phrases with a single click. Additionally, some experiences use specific chat commands, often starting with a /, to perform actions like teleporting or changing game settings. If you're having trouble with chat, first ensure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a simple restart of the Roblox application or your device can resolve minor glitches. For persistent issues, consider reinstalling Roblox entirely. This often fixes corrupted files that might be affecting chat functionality. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.